Bandit level 5 to 6. Level 5. Level 1. The password for the next level is stored in a file under the in here directory and has all the following property. Human level 1033 byte in size, not executed. Basically, in this level, we need to use find command. First, we need to log in through SSH, level name, bandit 5. First, we need to read our stupid password. It is the password for the next level. It is the password for the level 5. SSH bandit 5 hostname or the fire into ORC port number, put the password which we get in press scan. First we need to read this directory. Here is another directory name in here. Move to in here. Here many another directory. Here many file. Move to previous directory. Here we use find command to search a file in Linux. Find is a command which use in Linux to search a specific file. Use find the correct put current directory. Size of the file. Size is 1 to 1033. Chunk. Basically, this is the path where password stored for next level. Copy this path. Read this path with cat command. This is the password for the next level. Exit.